uthi inyanga ayizili.
Yeah.
Uyakubona? Inyanga ayizili. Ushito uthonse utswala baby.
Yeah.
Abantu bayagula. Ngeke ujikise isigule ekithingi. Ngapha bothokoza ejardini. You need to come out of it. Uyakubona, you need to come out of it. So at least on my end I've got I've gotten the opportunity to give myself time to therapy. Yeah, because no, I was crashing down.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, no, I was crashing down. I still feel like I'm still feel like I'm crashing down, but it's been therapy. You know, ayidingi muthi lento lena kusukuthi manje sekumele wenze ini uzothatha wenza in for in. Yakubona, it's just dealing with the mental. Yakubona, so how have I been dealing? It's the work. It's the work because I need to be well, not for myself, but for my patients and my kids. You know, so yeah, it's just been therapy twice a week, 3 times if critical kakhulu, yabona. But ileyo nto leyo yokuthi kumele ungene entombeni. Ayikho into ozoyenza uzodlana.
Vele.
Ayibona le ndaba leyo, so bese umele uyashaya amathambo, usebenza ngapho uyagokisha manje.
Awuney'nkinga zakho.
Sorry. You know, but that's been helping as well.